Let's get in Sudeep Shah of SBI Securities joining us for his view on the markets and individual stocks. Sudeep, we've bounced back from levels closer to that 17,500 mark a couple of times in the past few days. Do you think that will hold on today as well?
Absolutely, Mangalam. Good afternoon. One thing what we can see today is also that in the last few days and today that there are a lot of dips that have come to 17,380, 17,450 kind of mark. But a lot of these dips have been bought into. And that was because the bank nifty was showing higher strength. Now, since because of the dollar index moving above 111.5 and USD INR crossing this 80.70 mark, bank nifty is witnessing some selling pressure. But today, pharma as well as FMCG has picked up to support nifty. So we feel that this time around also 17,400 kind of support zones should hold. And only if this is broken, we need to revisit our levels. Till then, we feel that the markets would be in a range between 17,380 on the downside and 17,750 on the upside.
In terms of individual stocks, I wanted to first ask you about Infosys because the stock has been hitting new lows. It's at a fresh 52-week low today. At any point in time, does it become a buy? And what do you do with the other names in the IT space?
See, more than the large cap names, now if we specifically talk about Infosys and TCS, they have already broken their intermediate swing lows, and there is still no signs of any reversal that we are witnessing on these large cap names. But a couple of stocks like, say, if you say a mid cap name like KPIT or from the mid cap IT space, now there we are seeing some action. We are even seeing some kind of a bottom fishing happening in Coforge. Now, specifically talking about KPIT also, it has been forming a rounding bottom after a big consolidation now. And that is the best chart amongst all the mid cap IT names. So we feel that there is a good upside potential here, and this stock can be bought with a 600 stop loss for an upside move up to 700 levels.
Okay. You were talking about the resilience of a lot of these pharmaceutical stocks, Sudeep, but within the healthcare space, Fortis is reacting to a significant amount of negative news. How would you technically advise your clients to approach the stock now?
See, today's candle, now if we see today's selling pressure that has come, it's almost 16% down post this court judgment. So we feel that it should not be entering at current levels. At least let these news gets digested, and the chart looks to be weaker for us, and we feel that this stock can head towards 230, 220. So a lot of good opportunities are available, whether we say in the pharma space also or in the FMCG space. Now, last few days within the pharma stocks also, there was one stock, Cipla, which was making a move, breaking out. Last couple of days, we have seen some throwback on that, but it is still trading above its support level. So Cipla from the pharma space, HUL from the FMCG space, both looks very good. And pharma as well as FMCG now may start performing from here on to support the nifty if we see further weakness in banking stocks.
Okay, all right. Sudeep, thanks a lot for joining in. Have a good day. That is the word coming in from SBI Securities.